In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Taggbox widget to Wix. First, log into your Taggbox account and open the widget you want to display on your Wix website. Next, go to the Publish section and choose Website as your publishing option. Taggbox will generate an embed code for your widget. Copy that code to your clipboard. Now, open your Wix dashboard and edit the website where you want the social feed to appear. Inside the Wix editor, click the plus icon to add a new element. Then go to Embed Code and choose Embed HTML. After that, drag the HTML box onto your page and click Enter Code. Paste the Taggbox embed code into the field and apply the changes. Resize and position the widget however you like, then save and publish your Wix website. Once your site is live, visitors will be able to see your Taggbox social feed directly on your Wix page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.